Okay, so let's move on now to section 2 of book 9, test 1. And we're going through 17 through 20. For 17 and 18, we have multiple choice questions. And then for 19 and 20, we also have another version of the multiple choice question where we have to pick two things from a list. So remember, for multiple choice questions, like 17 and 18, we want to pay attention to the keywords in the language. We want to pay attention to the keywords in the question, the language. Like it says for number 17, a champion athlete will be in the shop. Right? So we're listening for when he will be in the shop or she will be in the shop. Number 18, the first person to answer 20 questions will win. So, keywords in the question we're listening for. Answer 20 questions will win. Right? First, answer 20 will win. Okay, keep in mind, you may hear the language for all the answer choices, but you have to listen for which of the answer choices that they say is connected to the language of the question. That's what's so important. Now for 19 and 20, we have 5 possible answer choices, A, B, C, D, E. We have to listen for which 2 are connected to the keywords in the question. The keywords in the question are, says right here, which 2 pieces of information does the speaker give about the fitness test? Which 2 pieces does he give about the fitness test? Right? So, we want to know about information that does he give about the fitness test. Right? What does he say about the fitness test? So we have to listen for which 2 does he give. All right? Some of these he may not give. So we're listening for which 2 does he give. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and play the tape. You can try to answer along with me as I'm answering, and then I'll back it up and back up the tape, and we will go through the answer choices. Okay? Right, so here they are giving us the time to look through 17 through 20. So what you would do is go through the process that I just went through with you in terms of what to pay attention for when answering. Okay, here it comes.
Now listen and answer questions 17 to 20.
The shop will be open from 9 a.m. this Saturday, and if you go along to the opening, then you'll have the chance to meet the national 400 metres running champion, Paul King, who's coming along to open the shop. And he will be staying around until about midday to chat to any fans who want to meet him and sign autographs. Then there will be a whole range of special attractions all weekend. There will be free tickets for local sporting events for the first 50 customers, and also a special competition open to all. Just answer 15 out of 20 sports questions correctly to win a signed copy of Paul King's DVD, Spring Tips, while the first person to get all the questions correct gets a year's free membership of the Broadcaster Gym. All entrants will receive a special sports calendar with details of all Broadcaster fixtures in the coming year. One of the special opening offers is a fitness test, a complete review of your cardiac fitness and muscle tone, actually done in the shop by qualified staff. This would normally cost £30, but is available at half price for this month only. There are only a limited number of places available for this, so to make a booking, phone 560-341. In addition, if you open an account, you get lots more special offers, including the chance to try out equipment at special open evenings.
All right, so I'm going to now back up the tape and go through the answers with you and explain what they did to try to trick you and why you should have chosen these as your correct answers. Okay, so let's have a look.
The shop will be open from 9 a.m. this Saturday, and if you go along to the opening, then you'll have the chance to meet the national 400 metres running champion, Paul King, who's coming along to open the shop. And he will be staying around until about midday to chat to any fans who want to meet him and sign autographs. Then there will be a whole range of special attractions all weekend. There will be free tickets for local sporting events for the first 50 customers, and also a special competition open to all. Just answer 15 out of...
Right, correct answer is A, because she said that he will be around until midday. Right, if he's only around until midday, that means he's only there in the morning. So again, this is an example of them giving the answer in the lecture, but then using synonym language in the answer choice. Staying until midday is synonym for on Saturday morning only. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? You have to understand synonym language. They're going to say the answer, and very often you have to pick which choice is using synonym language for what they said as the answer choice. They said he will be around until midday. Until midday. So he will be around is the same as saying he will be in. Right? So again, using synonym language for what words in the question and using synonym language for the correct answer choice. Right? That's what I'm trying to point out to you. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand. And this doesn't change from sections 1 to 4. The traps and the tricks are the same. They don't change. Same traps, same tricks, same traps, same tricks. It doesn't change, everyone. It doesn't change. And so you have to be able to really pay attention so that you can really understand how to do it properly for IELTS listening. Keep going.
Just answer 15 out of 20 sports questions correctly to win a signed copy of Paul King's DVD, Spring Tips, while the first person to get all the questions correct gets a year's free membership of the Broadcaster Gym. All entrants will receive a special sports calendar with details of all Broadcaster fixtures.
So we know B cannot be the answer, because they said if you get 15 out of 20, you get a DVD, right, which is synonym for video. So B is not the answer. We have to listen out for the first person to get 20 correct.
Spring Tips, while the first person to get all the questions correct gets a year's free membership of the Broadcaster Gym.
So the correct answer is A. So the person who gets them all correct. So instead of them saying the first person to answer 20, they said the first person to answer all, because we know there are only 20 questions. All right, and so they said he'll get a gym membership. So the correct answer for 18 is A. So I hope you really are seeing how this works, okay? I hope you're really seeing how this works. It's really important that you understand, okay? Really, really important that you understand how to do this properly. Okay, so let's do these last ones for numbers 19 and 20.
One of the special opening offers is a fitness test, a complete review of your cardiac fitness and muscle tone, actually done in the shop by qualified staff. This would normally cost £30, but is available at half price for this month only. There are only a limited number of places available for this, so to make a booking, phone 560-341. This month only.
Right, so one answer is E. She said it's available for half price this month. It's available. So that's the information she gave us. It's available for half price this month. That means one correct answer is E. It's cheaper this month. Right? When she says it's half price this month, that is synonym for saying it's cheaper this month. Are you understanding? You have to listen for synonym relationships, synonym language. That's what it's all about here. All right, so one answer is E. It doesn't matter the order when you're talking about 19 and 20.
number of places available for this. So, to make a booking, phone 560-3...
All right, the next thing she tells us is how to make a booking. Right, so look at your answer choices, A, B, C, D, E. Which one is synonym for how to make a booking? Correct answer is A. You need to reserve a place. Synonym for making a booking is reserving a place. Right? So for multiple choice questions, when it comes to multiple choice questions, you have to be able to recognize synonym language. If you're not able to recognize synonym language, you're going to have a really, really challenging time in terms of doing and handling these type of multiple choice questions. Because as you get to section 3 and section 4, it's only going to get more difficult, right? In terms of the language will become more difficult. But it's still going to be the same types of questions. Fill the blank and multiple choice. All right, but you have to be able to recognize synonym language, okay? So let's go ahead and do another section 2 example.